So I decided to drag the old Craftsman 3.7 I got from Crazy Feller out here. Gonna put in this ash here, see what happens. That's a great saw. Could use a better chain. It actually really shined when I had a 24-inch bar on it with a skip tooth chain, which I think that's what's going to go on it. It's what it deserves. It's a good saw. It's got, I mean, this is an example of, people talk about older saws having a lot of torque. This one has a lot of torque, but it also does have a fair amount of RPM, so it's kind of a good mix where, I mean, that's small ash, but if the ash was like a bigger chunk of ash, it probably cut just as fast. Like, she's got torque. Excuse me. Chain, yeah, chain's sharp, but I mean the raker's probably only set 25 thou, so knew better there. But yeah, that's a great saw, that Craftsman, and cool in 3700. That's a lot better. It's leaps and bounds above the 3400, which has a aluminum bore with a chrome piston. So those setups are kind of crap. They really are. But anyways, great saw. It was fun playing with it in the rain. I can go inside and warm it because it's only like 6 degrees Celsius, so that'd be like what, 40 Fahrenheit. Anyways, take it easy.